Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Ergobaby Embrace. So this is a carrier that works really well with small babies. You can front carry, you can hip carry, but you can't back carry. So it's not like a super long lasting carrier compared to something a bit more structured. It is made from stretchy wrap, so it's really nice and soft. It's not super bulky and it's really lovely. So you have two settings for the front panel, small baby and bigger baby. So for newborns, you have to roll the waist belt. So you roll it inwards, like this. You go to your back, and then you're going to clip, bring the waist belt across, and then bring the buckle through the elastic band for safety, and you clip. So I'm going to show you the height with a newborn baby. So that's my newborn doll. I'm going to just sit my baby in there, nice and deep into the seat, and this is the adjustment for like a small baby up to about roughly 3 months old, but that would really vary between babies. Okay, now when you find the panel is not supporting all the way to under the earlobe and it's just like this, basically the shoulders are not well supported, stop rolling it. So basically you would put it on directly without doing any rolling, like this, with the label facing out, clip, like that, tighten, hold it and then give a good pull, and then baby will just sit straight into the panel. So here's my bigger baby, my 3-4 months old, and you can see here it supports quite well. So make sure you sit your baby in a very nice deep seat. It's important. As your baby gets bigger, you won't have to do such a deep seat because the panel will grow taller in that way. But for smaller babies on this setting, sit very nice, deep over the waist belt with the bum lower than the knees. If you find it helps, you can bring your waist belt really quite high up like that. Sit baby in like a little hammock. Support baby across the back, grab a strap, clip over your shoulder, switch hands, go to your back, you're going to pull down, bring the strap across, and then you're going to clip, like this. And the reason why I do this is to stop the cross going into my neck and keep it away from breast area, especially if you're breastfeeding, it's a bit uncomfortable. Do the same, flip over your shoulder, pull down and bring it across like this. I'm going to clip again. I'm going to retighten a bit, and then if it's still a bit loose, I'm just going to lift the slack, slide it across my back, and then just retighten it. And you see the clip is really low down like that, and that's really comfortable. I've got nothing in the way, like this. Think of it like you're toweling your back. Just the technique, and then guide your slack and retighten. And that's about it. Make sure baby's close enough to kiss the top of the head so you can see airways at all time. Hands towards the face. Baby's nice and straight with the back rounded, bum lower than the knees, and the sling is nice and tight. Okay, now if I want to feed in it, it's really easy. I'm just going to loosen the straps on each side like this, and if I want to breastfeed, I can just lower my baby down straight onto the breast like that. If you're struggling to get your baby low enough, you can loosen your waist belt, lift, bring your waist belt lower down, and here you can feed. Make sure you can see your baby's nose. You support the top of the shoulders if your baby still doesn't have full head control. Baby's head and spine are aligned, and you can see the nose okay. When you're done, you come back and you retighten. You can even go into full head carry if you find it easier to feed that way. Take your arm out like this, and then you just guide your slack back around, and you can retighten like this, and you can feed like that as well. That's another way to do it. For bottle feeding, you can do the same, but you don't have to lower as much. Just make sure you don't arch the neck, but you can just loosen enough, bring your baby like this, and you can feed. There's lots and lots of different ways to feed in carriers. I've made a whole video about this, so go to my YouTube channel and check it out there. And then always make sure you retighten, you bring back baby up straight and nice and tight. And that's it. Taking out, you can just loosen and you just lift like this, and you can just take your baby out like this, lift. Now finally, if clipping around your baby is a bit stressful, you don't like it, it's fine. You don't have to do it. You can just leave everything pre-clipped. So I'll just keep my waist belt nice and tight. And I have my straps all clipped in here. I bring the cross over my head and then arms through. A bit loose. Bring baby on your shoulder. Like this. And slide your baby down. Bring the bum nice and low and deep into the seat. And just retighten. You lift. Slack off your shoulder. Bring it across. Down, you retighten. Same on the other side. You can spread the shoulders as well. It's quite nice and comfortable. And that's it. Taking my baby out. I can also unclip and take baby out. There you go. Thank you for watching.